Ang crowd nato karon is really a big crowd.
So what's up mga kalagan sa Igan? So now mga kalagan, so may nabi nato ang pinaka-importante nga nahimo kaning activity sa maong opening salvo sa to ang relaunching sa Dream Adventures Park diri mismo mga kalagan. So happy to yung festa diri. So may nabi nato ato ang pinaka-active atong working vice mayor sa Kauswagan sa Lanao del Norte. Vice, nakalimutan ko sa kanan. Ikaw lang ito sa Vice. So ikaw guys.
Well, una-una, thank you sa inyong pag-ready din ha, bro.
Yes po.
Brad. Kanang karon daw is the relaunching, no? Kay naka-launch naman may so many years ago, mga 2022, 23. Ang atong gitawag before as the longest boardwalk amusement park. This time we changed the looks of the boardwalk amusement park. And we make it into as Kauswagan Dream and Adventure Park, KIDAP. No, very similar, very close to Kibap. Now, we changed a lot, including the rearranging the rides. Then we put up mga upscaled nga mga kananan. And then, gipadaan nato atong bump cars. Then we're also putting up new rides next year on that January, no? Yeah. But anyway, today is a very important day or important night kay today is the relaunching. And then ang pagtanaw nako, ang crowd nato karon is really a big crowd. Even it's on a Wednesday. Mean to say na call kita attention with mga not only Kauswagano but the neighboring mga lungsod diri, including sa Iligan, even as far as sa mga laing probinsya. Hoping this is one of our strategy to enhance our income sa lungsod, that this will continue na we could gather more customers or more people that wants to enjoy, you know, mani kuan gyud akong nga theme park or amusement park, but I think this is good for now, and hoping people will be more coming, will be coming here, and I would like to say na please come and visit Kauswagan. It's really an adventure, no? It's also a very memorable adventure ninyo, and it's not only the amusement park ang inyo makita, but we also have the Organic Convention Center, which is now reimaging again into it's a sports center now and you have to also watch our next year we will be having our water park next year.
Nice.
Of course it comes with a slide, but tulo ka dagko ka swimming pool with wave pool.
Nice.
And more are coming, very exciting diri sa Kauswagan. Because that's what we want to do, no? We want to bring people in. Bringing people in will also improve our economy.
So, grabe gid mga kalagan, no? Grabe ang vision, grabe ang gibuhat sa to mga incumbent kan samot na si Vice na grabe yung sa nila pagka palambo gigayo ang Kauswagan. Kaya Kauswagan is known one of the best and organic municipality here in Mindanao. So, muna nga, we're so very thankful kay neighborhood lang sa Iligan City. So, muna nga, grateful ta kay na yung nani nga municipality nga ga-excel sa mga nana nga sige sila ka-ardan sa most organic
it's not only about organic, local o international, awards. But in terms of performance of municipality, daghan naman na kay baluan nga we are number 1 in the entire country in 2023, the number 1 municipality from 1st to 6th class as the best municipality in the entire country.
Grabe, mapasigarbo yun, grabe. Proud yung kahit ano nga kita isip taga Pilipinas, taga Mindanao, not only in Philippines itself but the Kauswagan itself, grabe gid ang paglambo tungod sa inyong mga nindot nga mga programa, Vice. Grabe gid.
Actually, we just want to inspire other municipalities
Yes.
as well. Katungdanan man yan sa Monday to improve economics situation
Yes.
sa atong mga katawanan. Ang mga lungsod po dapat na they will also be
Adapting.
trying to
Oh.
strategize how they could bring in more people or
Yes.
especially karon, this is to prove na malinaw na gud po ng Kauswagan. No?
Yes, correct. Grabe. Safety na yung kayo diri sa Kauswagan yun mga kalagad. So, grabe na. Dako kay Kausabag yun ang Kauswagan yun. So, sugad sa unahan to karon. Grabe improvement sa Kauswagan mo na nga. Katong gusto mo visit diri sa Kauswagan, bisita na mo, kay nindot na kayo, mas i-upgrade, mas malingaw pag yun mo, kumulaag mo sila. The longest boardwalk here in Mindanao. Mga nila ang bago nga Dream Adventures Park. Mga
Yeah.
kalagad. So, daghang salamat. Mayor, thank you Vice Mayor, thank you so much for granting us. Thank you so much.
Thank you also for
Thank you so much po. And more collaboration pa sa itong mga vlogger.
Yeah.
Muna nga, this is one first ever nga nag-recognize sa mga vloggers sa Iligan o diri sa Kauswagan. Muna nga proud kami nga dili kami kabaliban pag i-invite mi kay tungod nindot kayo lang mga programa. Thank you so much, Vice
Yeah.
Mayor. Thank you so
Okay.
much po. So,
Thank you.
kasi na kayo mensahe, short message sa mga followers.
Quickly lang, to everybody around Lanao del Norte, Misamis Oriental, Occidental, or the entire Region 10, and even beyond, please come to Kauswagan and experience an adventure.
Yay!
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you.
you so much po.